Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, there are three people, Larry, Mo, and Curly. I will write their names here. And they all can provide two kinds of services. One is mowing lawns. Let me write lawn here, lawns. And the other one is washing cars. So cars. And here they all have cars. They all have 10 units of time. So within an hour, what Larry can do is either mow one piece of lawn or wash one car. Remember, these are all or. So within an hour, he can only choose either do this or either do this. Okay, so Mo can either mow one lawn or wash two cars. And Curly can either mow two lawns or wash one car. So now we have to compare the following situations. So situation A, all three people spend all their time mowing lawns. So if they spend all their time doing this on the left hand side, remember they have 10 hours, right? So Larry can mow 10 lawns and the Mo also 10, and Curly can mow 20 lawns. So total, if I sum this up, it's 40 lawns that all three of them can mow within 10 hours. And situation B, if they all spend their time washing cars, so this is 10, 20, and 10 here. So sum them up, it's also 40. Okay, so this is situation A. This is situation B. Okay, so now situation C is saying that if all of them spend half of their time on each activity, so let me use green color here. So half of their time is like 5 hours each. So Larry spent 5 hours mowing lawns, so he can mow 5 lawns and then also wash 5 cars. And for Mo, he can mow 5 lawns and he washed 10 cars because his speed of washing cars is faster. And for Curly, it's the other way around. So he mowed 10 lawns and washed 5 cars because using 5 hours to wash the car and 5 hours to mow the lawn. So in total, it's like 20. And here is also 20. So if each of them spend half of their time doing these two jobs, at the end, 20 lawns will be mowed and 20 cars will be washed. Okay, so this is situation C. Okay, so let's look at situation D. I will use color black. So if Larry spends half of his time on each activity and Mo only washes car and Curly only mows the lawn. So Larry is the same as situation C. He spent half of his time doing both, right? But now Mo only wash the car, so he only do what he is better doing because he washes car faster. So then he can wash 25 cars. And as for Curly, he doesn't have to spend time washing cars. He just concentrate on mowing lawns, so it's 20. So if we sum them up, it's 5 plus 20. So situation D, at the end, 25 lawns will be mowed. And also 5 plus 20 here, 25 cars will be washed. Okay, so we can answer the next question B. Graph the production possibilities frontier for this economy, and use your answer in part A to identify point A, B, C, D. I was like, okay, so this is, I don't want to jump to the next page, so I'll just draw it here. So to draw a production possibility frontier, you have to first put these two services on the x-axis and the y-axis. So this is long, and the y-axis, I'll label it as car. So we know that in situation A, 40 lawns will be washed and the 0 will be mowed, and 0 cars will be washed. So it's like 40 and 0. So 40 like for the lawn. So this point is situation A. I will say that the number here is 40. And for situation B, 40 cars will be washed and 0 lawn will be mowed. So point B is right here, and it is also 40. And for situation C, I use color green, it's like 20 lawns and 20 cars. So it's like the midpoint between these two. So C is here. This is like, I would just not write the number. Oh, okay, I'll just write it down. This is 20. And then also the y-axis is labeled 20 here. And what about D, the black one? So black one is like 25 lawns and 25 cars. So point D is like to the upper right of point C. So D, because it's like 25 like higher than 20 and also 25 higher than 20. So we can see that the production possibility frontier, okay, I'll use color red, will be like something like this. You can see that this is not a straight line, because a straight line should cross this point C here. A straight line should be A, C, B. But now this frontier is like a little bit curved because of this point D out there. Okay, so once we drew this, we can answer the following question. Question C, explain why the production possibilities frontier has the shape it does. So, oh yeah, I just explained that. So within the frontier, these are all like production sets that is attainable. So within these three people and human resource, we can produce all these possible combination of products. But what is outside the red thing here, we have market, like all the thing here are infeasible because we don't have enough human power to complete the services. So A, B, C, D, which one is inefficient? So apparently C is inefficient, because since it can attain point D, they should like better allocate their jobs to produce the most possible services for each of these two goods. So C is inefficient.